going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally copped a pair of the Atmos theme Nike SB Dunk Lows in this elephant print colorways. We've been very excited to add this to collection ever since we copped the safari print Nike SBs. We knew this one was gonna be fire, so we had to cop it to add it to collection. And guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. The SBs are popping in 2020, so we're gonna be showing you guys how we styled the SBs in general on feet with multiple outfits, so stay tuned. Now, straight out of the box, the sneaker is very reminiscent of the Supreme Dunks that released back in the day, with this gray elephant print on the toe box and the back portion of the heel. And overall the colorway just looks similar, but the only difference is they added that clear Jade swoosh in patent leather on the side, which really pops. But when it comes to like the elephant print, it varies on both sneakers. Now, we got our pair a little bit late. Even though we got it from retail, it must have used the cheapest shipping on the planet, because this took a minute to get here. Now, 2020 has been the year for SBs. They've been gaining a lot of traction ever since Nike collaborated with Travis Scott and dropped the Travis Scott SBs, and many other SBs have been really popular in 2020, like the Strange Love SBs, the Safari print SBs, and multiple other colorways that have been taking themes from other sneakers. This particular SBs is based off the collaboration between Nike and Atmos, the Air Max one, which had the elephant print on the side. This colorway actually looks really good on the SBs, and I like how Nike's been taking colorways from other sneakers like Atmos, and also reversing colorways from previous Nike SB Dunks, which is really making the SBs really versatile in 2020. And I like how the SBs, even though they're switching it up, is staying under $100. But despite that, it's still very hard for a lot of people to cop a pair of the SBs, even though they're very popular in 2020. And also, the resale prices have been skyrocketing ever since they've been collaborating with multiple skate shops and other artists, which is making the SBs like really popular, and it's gonna continue into 2021. When it comes to sizing, you guys know the SB has a chunky tongue, so it makes the sneaker like a little bit snug. I'll suggest you guys go a half a size up if you guys want the sneakers to fit a little bit more comfortable. We went with our standard size because we like the sneaker to fit a little bit snug, and it's more comfortable for us. You guys know SBs are really gonna go well with that baggier, loose fitted style, which is more vintage. And Travis Scott is perfect inspiration if you're gonna try to style the SBs. The loose fitted pants and cargos that you wear really suit the silhouette, so I think that's where you should be drawing inspiration from when it comes to styling SBs. And the sneaker has that skater-esque kind of aesthetic to it, so like just dressing like a skateboarder will really look well with this sneaker. Now, before we get to the on feet, we're not gonna bore guys by talking too much about this sneaker. This is certainly gonna be one of the top SBs to drop in 2020, and we're very glad to add it to the collection. Please guys, before the video ends, please leave a like on the video. It really helps the channel. It helps us know that you guys like these type of videos, and it helps us to know to keep making more for you guys. So please leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications, because it's very important so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, make sure you drop down the comments. Let us know which SBs are like your favorite in 2020, and tell us if you like this particular SBs. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.